All right, welcome back, cruisers.
Welcome back.
We are in Labadee, Haiti today.
Woohoo! On board the Explorer of the Seas.
Yes, we are. All right, what are we doing today, Austin?
We are going parasailing, which we didn't get to do last time because it got canceled, but hopefully it'll be better this time.
Yes, we're hoping so. All right, here we are. We may recognize somebody though. You never know.
Hello, people.
Hi.
How are you guys doing?
Good. So we're here for parasailing.
Parasailing, you have your tickets?
I do.
Yeah.
Getting all the handshakes here. And there we go. Here are the railings here. Welcome to the parasail boat. My name is Levi, and this is your captain Hector over here.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to on board.
Alright guys, so what's going to happen now is we're going to go do a conditions check. So like I said, parasail is never guaranteed. We first have to go check the conditions. Awesome. Okay, you guys can come on up, senor. So you're going to go all the way behind Hector there. Remember hold the strap.
Please don't hold the bar. Hands on the strap.
I almost went with it. I was thinking we were supposed to. Which strap am I supposed to? Oh, the one I'm on. Holy cow!
Alright guys, legs together. Lift them up just a little bit.
Alright, I'm a little nervous now. What do you think, Austin? Oh my goodness, we are. Whoa! I keep feeling like we're falling. Me too. We're not though. Well, not yet. And if we do, we're gonna plunge right down into the ocean there. It's crazy. What do you think? I don't know. It's a nice view. Looking back at the land. Labadee, Haiti, Austin's first time parasailing. Woo! At the height of like the bow. Yeah, we are. Might actually be a little bit higher than the ship right now. Yeah. Are we coming down? No. Yeah. You like it? Well, next time Dad comes, we'll have him bring you, if you like it. Yeah. Yeah? You'll do it again? Mm-hmm. All right. I feel like I'm good. That thing where we almost fell off the side of the boat there. I feel like we're getting a little low here. Don't you think so? No, I think we're good. Look how high the parachute is. Wow. Super awesome. It looks like from the ship. Coming in now. You think so? That's like 5 minutes, I think, that we get up here. That's so cool. Oh, whoa! I think they're pulling us. You think so? Yeah, maybe. It can be. Isn't that what he said? He said hold this. Are you sure? Yeah. Huh? I was holding the red part. Whoa! Wow. Here we go. What'd you think, Austin?
That was so cool.
That was amazing, right?
Yeah.
All right. Pretty good.
You get an iPhone? The parachute is so big.
Parachute's huge.
time? Alright guys, from Levi and myself, Hector, thank you very much for coming out. Yeah, we're so glad that you liked it, you enjoyed it.
Thank
Sure you had
you.
fun up there. It's very quiet.
All right. So what'd you think, Austin?
That was fun.
That was awesome. That was amazing. It was a really fun boat ride too. It's probably one of my most favorite. What do you think?
Probably. Like, it's a little scary when you're sitting there, but once you take off, it's just so fun.
Parasail in Labadee, Haiti. I give that 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. All right. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye for now. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and see where we're going next.
It looks like we made it.